Hello, I'm Gil Garcia, Sales Manager, Electronics Division for 4B USA. In this video, we'll review the most common technical support questions regarding the ADB bearing temperature sensor.
Can I use the ADB to monitor the hanging bearings on my screw conveyor?
Yes, choose the correct length of ADB probe for the application and mount the housing into a 1/8 inch NPT pipe standoff.
What if the temperature application does not use a grease zerk?
Simply remove the grease zerk on the body of the sensor and replace with an Allen-headed socket screw.
What options do I have if I want to measure the surface temperature of the machine?
Instead of the ADB sensor, use the 4B lug sensor. This sensor uses the same ADB probe, but is packaged in an industrial surface mount lug, and best of all, it can still be verified with the ADB tester.
Is the ADB available with a thermocouple output?
We do not provide thermocouple output sensors due to the nuisance issues that come with these type of output. You should upgrade your system to accept modern thermistor, PT100 RTD, or 4 to 20 milliamp instead. Additional questions can be answered by our team of technicians either over the phone or on site. We're also available for initial commissioning and annual testing. Give us a call.